What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be in the old girl. We're going to be just doing a little ride along video. I'll talk about some stuff here and there maybe. But yeah, I'm leaving work, headed home, and we also got the new oxygen sensor in, so that's nice. It's the Denso, it's the right one. So far so good. Knock on anything that's wooden in here. Which there's nothing, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, we got the Denso in. It wasn't a horrible job. The O2 sensor was easier to get out than I thought it was gonna be. And yeah, so far so good. Yeah, we'll head out now. I'll let you guys enjoy the sounds of the car, if you can hear any anyways. I ended up finding a little leak where my drive shaft meets my transmission. So I'm gonna have to take a closer look at that. That's another thing that I found the other day. There's a lot of deer at this time of night. 11:52 p.m. Gotta be on the lookout for those fuckers. Gonna do a little heel toe downshifting. Heel toe downshifting is actually, it's not as hard as you think it would be. And you don't necessarily have to use your heel. I use if your foot is big enough. By big I mean if it's girthy enough.
Yeah, boy.
You can get one foot on each pedal, and then when pressing down with your left big toe, like that area, and then switching over really quick to kind of tap the gas, while also pressing on the brake. That's a good technique. I know it's not heel toe, but it's very, very similar, and your car will love it. The transmission will thank you, the clutch will thank you. And it may take a little bit to get used to, but it's nothing too complicated. The intake, like the stock intake, a lot of people are like, yeah, no, fuck the stock intake. But dude, the stock intake is fine. The stock intake is good for like 300 horsepower. Just for anybody out there interested in that. If you want to build your Subaru to, 350 horse, it ain't gonna be, well, not 350, but around 300. You can use the stock intake. The stop sign was so dang close. Yeah, it's good to give it to her a little bit every once in a while. You gotta clean all that carbon out of the intake and out of all that shit. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching.
Making the cops go oof in jailbreak because they can get so